November revealed that Annapolis pending home sales rose by 32.1% from last year. Since the beginning of this year, 1,827 homes have sold in 14 median days in Greater Annapolis, with a median sales price of $460,000. And sellers are getting 98.9% of list price. 16% of this year's buyers paid in cash. It's Friday, December 18th, 2020. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty with your Annapolis Real Estate Report, your weekly snapshot of what's happening at a local level in Annapolis real estate. The lowest priced habitable home to sell this year was this city row house in 21401 that sold for $120,000. The highest priced home to sell was this waterfront home in 21403. While more than half of the homes sold this year have been under the median sales price of $460,000, 10% of homes sold over $1 million. Nationwide, high-end housing, secondary homes, and larger homes are outperforming in most markets and are predicted to continue due to record low mortgage rates, accelerating home prices, rising confidence, and larger space requirements early into 2021. Inventory here in Annapolis has dropped to 194 homes this past week, with median sales price of $585,000 and an average of 72 days on the market. 23 new listings came to market since last week. 8 have been listed. It's coming soon. And a total of 39 homes are temporarily off the market, with 5 going off this past week. There are only 27 active homes for rent in Greater Annapolis at an average of $23.21 per month, or equal to about a $450,000 home price. 21401 has a total of 98 homes for sale. In the past week, 3 homes were listed as coming soon, 15 went active, 4 went under contract, 2 went tip off, 4 went pending, and 9 have sold since last Friday, with sellers getting 98.4% list price in 19 median days at a median sales price of $565,000. 21403 has a total of 53 homes for sale. 5 recently listed as coming soon, 4 are newly active, 4 went under contract, 1 is temp off, 4 moved to pending, and 11 homes sold since last Friday at 100% list price in 13 median days at a median sales price of $649,000. 21405 has 1 active and 1 temp off. 21409 has a total of 42 for sale. 4 are new to the market, 1 went under contract, 2 went to pending, 6 homes closed since last Friday in 8 median days at 98.5% of list. The median sales price is down to $344,950. The biggest obstacle for many home buyers in this area will be the narrow selection of inventory on the market. Those in the lower purchase prices are finding very few options, and the condition of those fewer options remains a challenge. With lenders pulling back the reins on purchase and renovate loan programs, many buyers had to bypass homes that needed some systems, mold remediation, wells or septics, or other rehab problems fixed to qualify for lending. While several of our lending partners continue to offer these loan products, some lenders ceased these products altogether due to forbearance concerns during COVID-19. Good news on the horizon for buyers that could use this program. Several lenders announced that those products will be back in place as early as January. Give me a call at 443-837-5645 if I can answer any questions at all regarding the market or your specific circumstance. Be sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our podcast. Thanks so much for liking, sharing, subscribing. That's your Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, December 18th, 2020. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend and have a beautiful holiday season. Stay safe.